Good morning. I hope you are doing well. So it's Sunday morning. I woke up around 7:20. That was when Nature was leaving for work. And Mommy got up. Ice cream. I didn't change. Mommy also got up about 30 minutes ago. It's almost 9 a.m. I'm catching up with YouTube videos, and she's also engaged on her tablet. So she has her Milo.
I like Russian ice cream. Okay.
A friend called that he's coming for a program in Koforidua, so I'll go and meet him. And I want to prepare something for him, but I don't know what to. For a strange reason, fufu is not on my mind. Yesterday I made fufu for Nane-chan, but I didn't even look at it, and today too I'm having the same feeling. I think I have a stew, a jollof based stew, so I'll put it out from the freezer and then make some jollof for him. I have chicken, so that is what I want to do at the moment. Yeah, look at you, see how happy she is. So this is the freezer. Okay, so that's the chicken. She's sleeping peacefully now, guys. It's been very hot. The past, I think, 40 minutes I didn't know what to do with Mami Sewa. You see, earlier on in the vlog I showed you when she was playing alone, but later there are some kids in the house. They are 3, so later on they were playing outside, and I intentionally increased the volume of her tablet so she would not hear them. Some way, somehow she saw them and was interrupted, so I had to allow her go outside, play with them. And then I was here. Once in a while I will hear her cry, but I will not step out to go and see why. But I heard one of the children, not Mommy, she's also Mommy. I heard her crying. She shouted with pain, so I stepped out, and then eventually the assembly was dispersed, so everybody came. Mommy came in, and then they also went to their parents. Then I fed Mommy. About 20 minutes on, she started crying. She was crying. If I say crying, she was crying. Then she will say, Mensa, that is my hand. This little finger, she will say, my hand. The children are 3, but she kept calling the name of the elderly. So she would say, Asumesi, then Mensa, Mensa. Guys, the way I'm in Huapo, I later on I wanted to even put junction violet. She will not allow it, and then later on I was able to calm her down. Then I told her to go and sleep, and for the first time in almost 2 months she is taking a nap. That explains why she's crying like that. Her top was wet with sweat. I know how it is with children, but mommy is petty most of the time. She doesn't like to share because it's always been her alone. So when you allow her outside, or when they come in here, when someone touches anything of hers, she'll be and because of that I don't want her to play with them. I don't know how she does it when she goes to school, but over here it's too much. So most of the time I lock her so she doesn't go outside. Let me show you what we have finally. Okay, hey, it's you better. I am done. Mommy is still sleeping. I called Nature, but when I called her, she sounded to be sleeping. Yeah, it looks as if say she was sleeping. I don't know. Or by the name Nebetre. So I am done, guys. The weather is so hot, and I have this condition. It's hereditary. It's in my father's family line more. But whenever I finish bathing, most of the time, sometimes it will go, but sometimes so whenever I finish bathing, I have to scratch my body. Sometimes I use a comb, especially like this afternoon. I used a comb to scratch the hell out of me before I could be fine. So this is it. I have the jollof in the bowl here. I'm going to put it in a bag. Let me show you. This is the bag I've been taking to work, so I'm gonna drop it in like this, and oh yeah, I go. Let me show you the dress I am wearing. I want to rush, come home, and then sit and talk with you in this dress because I cannot wear this dress and not chit chat with you. So I'm going to match it with this Birkenstock that my brother bought for me. It's original Beck, so that is what I am rocking this piece with. Oh, I should wear this one. Oh, I should go with this one. Okay, so this is the Beck, and then the Zara woman. So the two, I think the Beck is cool, and okay, when Nature comes, I will ask her which one I should wear. But in the meantime, the full dress, the back and the front. Okay, thank you so much for watching from the beginning up to this time. I think I should show you the full dress from here. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Where can I position this so you get to see the full dress? Yeah, the Zara. So this is me. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching from the beginning up to this time. Sincerely, I don't know what to eat because the jollof is so not minced. Yeah, I have not eaten since morning, and the same thing happened yesterday. I don't know why I don't feel hungry I'm not doing it intentionally because I want to lose weight. No, I think it's one of those days that you don't just feel like eating. I'm looking that way because I expect nature to be coming by now. Guys, I told you that I'm going pieces I want to make a bomb nature for the medical for comment me. Efo, I know you have been hearing Efo anytime there is dry fish on this channel. So I went to see Efo, and guys, this is his investment. The investment he is making in our fufu ministry. Wow. It's a cook more if we come. When maybe say be with them. But we some 50 Ghana. It would do my head them. Because you have come. And they could. Come on. Wow. Guys, this is proper amani. This is not a cold store type. This is fresh from the sea. Yeah, this is fresh from the sea. How did I know? The cold store type, usually the scales, they don't come up as this one is. They always stick to the fish. That is how to identify them. Oh, and you cold store. So I catch me say, I maybe not miss me per money. And will say, or my own new cold store. I'm an insuniho in TV bar. Just look at it. Hey, this one, girl. I'll give only my subscribers who are abroad. Please board the plane and come. Those of you here in Ghana, especially AC. AC, you are too close to me. I'll not call your name. Abena, me mom. AC, me mom. Who else? Yes, me. Maybe I'm not a best celebrity for. Me mom. I should have even mentioned your name first because God are your suspect. Look at it.
We are more than I did see you now.
Look at it. Look at it.
When I'm so cracked up and I'm saying,
look at it. Oh yeah, money. I'm loving vlogs lately because editing it is effortless as compared to cooking and other videos. I am loving the vlogs. I hope you are loving them too. Until I grace your screens again, you know it. You know it. I play that whenever you say a prayer, you don't forget to say one for me. And I live with the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace. Oh yeah. Say shalom and chop kiss. Chop kiss. Bye bye.